Hello friends. Welcome to our channel, where we try to make finance and stock market related topics super cool and easy to understand. Today, we have some awesome news that will make you proud to be an Indian. So, get ready to learn, get inspired, and let's dive right into the exciting world of Indian stock market. Guess what? According to a recent news report, published in the Business Line, foreign investors, also known as FPIs, are showing tremendous interest in Indian stocks. They are investing a lot of money, and it's making a huge impact on our economy. In fact, until the time this news report was published on the 15th of May, FPIs made the highest amount of investments in the Indian stock market in the past 6 months. Now, that's no small feat. After a brief period of net selling at the beginning of the year, FPIs have made a comeback by pouring a whopping 23,152 crore rupees into equities. As of May 12, the total net investments for the month stand at 22,902 crore rupees, making it a 6-month high. Now, I know what you might be wondering. Why are these foreign investors pouring so much money into the Indian stock market? Well, it's because foreign investors are starting to believe in India's incredible growth potential. They see that our economy is strong, and they want to be a part of it. They think India is a rising star in the world of investments, and they're absolutely right. Let me tell you something that will make your heart swell with pride. Our chief investment strategist, Mr. Vijay Kumar, says that foreign investors love India. They love our financials, our capital goods, and our thriving automobile industry. And you know why? It's because they believe in the strength of our currency, the Indian rupee, and they even anticipate a decline in the value of the US dollar. With firm faith in our country's potential, they believe that our companies will make good profits. That's why they find India so incredibly attractive for investments. And guess what? This very sentiment is what's pulling them like a magnet to the Indian stock market. Isn't that a reason to celebrate? So, which sectors do you think are going to benefit the most from these foreign investments? Get ready for some exciting news. As per the Business Line news report, sectors like finance, power, sugar, manufacturing, real estate, building materials, automobiles, and chemicals are going to shine. These sectors are going to create jobs and boost our economy. It's like a wave of positivity and growth sweeping through our nation. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Drop a comment below and let us know if you found it useful. Click on the link in the pinned comment to follow us on Twitter for regular business updates. Your incredible support keeps us motivated and going strong. Wishing you a fantastic time until we meet again.